In question 41, the table shows the height of 37 players of a basketball team. Calculate, correct to 1 decimal places, the mean height of the player. We are going to draw a table and we are going to find mean. We will draw a table. So the first column will be which is given the height are 160, 161, 162, 163, 164 and 165. Then number of player, which is the frequency, number of player is our frequency. Frequency is given to be 4, 6, 3, 7, 8 and 9. So we are going to find the product of the height and the frequency, which is the 161 by 6 5. So let's add up 6,030. The summation of the frequency is 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 7, that's 20, plus 8, that's 28, plus 9, that's 37. So the frequency is 37. So for us to find the mean height, summation of fs divided by summation of f, which equals 630 divided by 37. So our answer is 162.9. But we are asked to calculate correct to one decimal places. So our final answer will be 162 to 1 decimal places. So option A is our answer. In question 42, SY is a line segment with coordinate S minus 8 minus 12 and YPQ. If the midpoint of SY is minus 4 minus 2, find the coordinate of Y. So we will be given the coordinate of S and Y as well as the midpoint. So we have to find the coordinate of Y. Okay. So the formula for midpoint is S1 plus S2 divided by 2, Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2. And midpoint is already given to be minus 4 minus 2 equals x and y. Now let's find each of the midpoint coordinate. So s equals s1 plus s2 divided by 2 our s here is minus 4. Minus 4 equals minus s here is minus 8. Then y is p, because minus 8 and p minus 12 and q. So here will be p. And let's multiply. I'm going to have minus 8 equals minus 8 plus p minus 8 plus 8 equals p. Therefore p equals 0. Now the second one, which is y equals over 2, and y is given to be minus 2. So minus 2 equals y1 is minus 12, then y2 is q divided by 2. Let's multiply to be minus 4 equals minus 12 plus q. Then minus 4 plus 12 equals q. Therefore, so the coordinate for y will be 0 and 8. That is option B. Okay, question 43. 500 tickets were sold for a concert. Tickets for adults and children were sold at $4.5 and $3 respectively. If total receipt for the concert was $1,987.5, how many tickets for adults were sold? Okay, let's make adult here equals A, and let's children equals C. Then tickets sold for adult and children were sold at 4.5 and 3. So that is 4.5 adult ticket plus 3 children ticket sold for 1,987.5. Then the total ticket for both adult and children sold is 500. So this question will lead us to some other equations. So we are going to solve these two equations simultaneously. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. So let's multiply equation 1 by coefficient of A, which is 1. Then multiply the second equation by covariant of A, which is 4.5. So we are going to have 4.5A plus 3C equals 1987.5. Then the second equation, 4.5 times A will be 4.5A plus 4.5 times C will be 4.5C equals 4.5 times 500 will be 2,250. So let's eliminate. This will be 0. Then 3C minus 4.5C. This will be minus 1.5C equals 1987.5 minus 2250. That will be 262.5. So get the variable by minus 1.5 to get the value of C. So C will be our C here will be 175. But we are actually looking for tickets sold for adult only. So let's find the value of A. Since we've gotten the value of C 2.75, so let's take equation 2 and substitute the value of C. A plus C equals 4,500. Then A plus 175 equals 500. Therefore, A will be 500 minus 175. Therefore, the ticket sold for adult only will be 500 minus 175, 325. 325 tickets were sold for adult. Option A is correct. The distance D between two villages is more than 18 km, but not more than 23 km. Which of these inequality represents the statement? So we are going to represent from the first line the distance D is more than 18 km, which means that D is greater than 18, or we can say 18 is less than D. Still the same thing. And the second statement is but not more than 23 km. Distance is equal, you can say is equal or less than 23 km, which can be denoted as D less than 23. So mathematically inequalities, it will be 18 less than D less than or equal to 23. I think the right option is option D. In question 45, the pie chart represents the distribution of fruit on display in a shop. If there are 60 apples on display, how many oranges are there? Okay, from this question, we are not given the total fruit on the shop. We are only given the number of apples on display. So first of all, we are going to find the total fruit in the shop. So let's make F to be total fruit on the display. Let total fruit equals F, and the number of apple on display is given as 60. Apples equals 60. So for us to find the value of total fruit in the shop, we will need to use the value of apple and the value of the pie chart. So that will be 80 all over 360 multiplied by the total fruit, which is F, equals 60. Then 80 8 over 36, F equals 60. So let's cross multiply. Eight F equals 2160. Then F will be 216 divided by 80. Then total fruit will be 270 fruits. So for us to find how many oranges in the display, it will be, the degree is not given here, so we are going to find the degree of the orange on the pie chart. So orange equals 360 minus 100 for pineapple, 80 for apple, then 60 for banana. Equals 120. So the number of orange on display equals 120 over 360 multiplied by the total fruit, which is 270. So 130 here, 130 here, 3 here, 1, 3 here, 9. So the number of orange on display is 90, which is option D. Question 46. A box contains 40 identical balls, of which 10 are red and 12 are blue. If a ball is selected at random from the box, what's the probability that it is neither red nor blue? Okay, probability that is red is given as probability that is red given as 10 over 40, and probably that is blue is given as 12 over 40. So probability that it is neither red nor blue equals 1 minus over 40 minus 12 over 40. Then that will be so our LCM will be 40 times 10 minus 12. That will be 40 minus 10, 30, 30 minus 12, 18 over 40, 18 minus 20. Final answer is 9 over 12. From this question, we are going to draw a table for the fair dice that is toast twice. So here's the table. So the dice is toast twice. Okay. The dice is tossed twice. 1, 4, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. So from the question, we are asked to find the probability of getting at least 10. So from this first die that is tossed twice, we are going to look for the sum of each of these things that will give us 10. So 4 plus 6 is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. And that number. So it will get at least 10. Okay, it will be 10 upward. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So given space equals then the sample space, which is therefore probability of at least 10 equals 6 divided by 36. Over 6 is our answer, which is option D. A man will be X plus 10 years old in 8 years' time. If 2 years ago he was 63 years, find value of X. Okay. A man will be 8 plus 10 years old in 8 years' time. This same man was 63 years old he was 63 years old 2 years ago. So how old is he as of today? As of today, he will be 63 plus 2. So 65 years old now. So how old he will be in 8 years time? How old is he in 8 years time? That would be 65 plus 8, which is 73. So for us to find value of x now, we need to pick this x plus 10 and put it to 73 for us to find value of x. So that will be x plus 10. X plus 10 equals 73. Then x equals 73 minus 10, which is 63. So the man will be 63 years old in 8 years time. So our answer here is B. From question 49, the equation of a line is given as 3x minus 5y equals 7. Find its gradient. Formula for gradient is gradient equals y plus m plus c, where m equals gradient, then c is the y-intercept. So this equation will be rearranged y equals minus 3x plus 7, y equals minus 3x over 5 plus 7 over 5. Recall m equals y. So this place relate our gradient. Therefore, gradient equals minus 3 over 5. Option C. From the last question in Y 2021, for what value of x is 4 minus 2x over x plus 1 undefined? For a function of x, or for a value of x, the value of x to be undefined, then the denominator denominator will be or will equal 0. So for us to find the value of x, we need to set the denominator equal 0. Set the denominator to equal 0. That is, we are going to set s plus 1 equals 0. Therefore, s equals minus 1. That's just the final answer.